This is the LIHAN 8-in-1 car charger. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the instruction booklet and you get the charger itself. So let me show it to you here and then I'll tell you about the specs and then of course we'll test it out. The way it works, very simply, plug that in your cigarette lighter, or if you must be politically correct, your power socket in your vehicle. This will work on 12 to 24 volts, so if you have a 24 volt vehicle it will still work. There is a volt gauge here that will show the current voltage of the battery or battery and alternator if the engine is running. Master on-off switch on the back right there. Nothing on this side, but on the front you have 3 power sockets, each with their individual switches, so you can turn those on and off as you need. On this side here you have 3 USB-A ports, and on the front you have a USB-C port and a PD port, power delivery port. Let me tell you a bit about the specs of the unit first, and then of course we're going to go ahead and test it out. The USB-A ports on it, on the side here, will give you 2.4 amps per port. The USB-C port also gives you 2.4 amps. The PD, or power delivery port, which is also USB-C, gives you 5 volts 3 amps, 9 volts 3 amps, 12 volts 3 amps, total of 36 watts through that. Total output power of this is 120 watts, including all of the lighter sockets, all of the USB ports, everything there, no more than 120 watts. That's plenty of power for this kind of stuff. I'm going to take this out to the car. I got a number of different devices that we're going to plug into it to test out and see if it can power all of them at the same time. Okay, I have it plugged in the car. I'll turn on the master switch and you'll see the USB light that I have turn on over there. And if you can make it out, it says the voltage, which needed to settled in at 11.7, which is about right. I have a cell phone plugged in as well. I'll unplug that, and you can see it charging right there. Over here I have a FM transmitter, so we can turn that on and the display on that lights up. It's a little hard to see, but it definitely works, and maybe hard for you to see, but there are little lights showing which sockets are on. So if I turn this on here, this is a power inverter and it's plugged in an incandescent, or actually a halogen bulb. It's a little bit of a slow start, but there it goes, and it lit it right up. So we have a cell phone, FM transmitter, USB light, and a big incandescent light all running at the same time. And there's still 2 more regular USB ports, the power delivery port, and another cigarette lighter port as well on top of all of that you can still plug stuff in with. All around very versatile. Once again, this was the LIHAN 8-in-1 car charger. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.